Hey guys, I'm doing a singing video. This is for Freddie E. I'm doing it for him because he was passed or whatever. But yeah, I'm doing it for him. So I don't have a beat. I haven't came up with one yet. But when I do, I will remake this video and I will do it over. So okay. This shit is so random. When you shot yourself, my heart beat like a bad tantrum. She's beautiful and you're handsome. She's on your mind, so you shot yourself, thinking you could hit yourself. And made me sad, so sad. Thinking you could run from it made me sad. You just shot yourself when you could have left for help and went away and left yourself and left the two of not shot yourself. But it's okay. God forgives. He's forgiving you for what you did. He loves you. He loves me. He loves everyone for what they did. Honey, see, don't blame yourself. He gave up, lost hope and feeling he won't be alone. His last words were he loved you and his family, someone above you. His mama came up and raised her hands and said, baby, I love you. Maybe one day you can explain and tell me who hurt you. Let mama know what you're going through. I'm right here, I'm listening. Maybe one day I could see you up there waiting for me. People don't see what we see. They just sit there and hear things, not knowing what we fight through. They just sit there and hear the wind. Right here reading that Bible, let me be, you're just waiting for me. If you're just reading to me, God will love the fact that you reading to me and I'm listening. Hey, well, that's the song. I hope you guys enjoyed it, liked it, whatever. Kind of nervous, so I kind of messed up a little bit because I'm really nervous, but yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Bye.